Look at how deliciously rich and nice this punch is. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am in a good mood, so guess what? I am gonna be sharing my amazing breadfruit punch with you guys, or some people would call it strong back punch. You heard me right. Wives, make this for your husband and thank me later. And husbands, make this for yourself if your wife is not able to, and thank me later. Alright, as you can see, the star of the show, which is the breadfruit, I'm going to be cutting and peeling the breadfruit now. So first we cut it down in the middle. You need some muscles to cut this. And then I'm going to cut this one in two. And this one too. And now I'm going to be taking out this part, and this part we call the heart. So I'm going to take that part out. And then I'm going to be peeling it. Alright, so I'm done peeling the breadfruit. I also washed them. This is what it looks like. So now I have 6 cups of boiling water, and to that I'm going to be adding half teaspoon of sea salt. Then I'm going to be adding the breadfruit, and we're going to leave it to cook until it's fork tender. And while that is cooking, come, let me introduce you to the rest of my ingredients. Okay family, so these are the ingredients that I'll be using in the breadfruit punch today. I have a dragon stout, some mixed spice, ground cinnamon, vanilla, condensed milk, nutmeg, and some peanut punch. Usually when I'm making breadfruit punch, I would use the real peanut, but today I don't have real peanuts, so I'm using peanut punch. So if you're making this recipe and you have real peanut, it's even better. Alright, so the breadfruit is done. I'll show you. It is fork tender. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to leave it to cool completely, and then we'll make the punch. Alright guys, so now we're going to be blending the breadfruit. So this is the cooked breadfruit, and I have the water that was used to cook the breadfruit. Okay, so it's a little bit too thick, so I'm gonna be adding 2 more cups of water to it. And then we're gonna blend again. Now let's sweeten our punch. First, I'm gonna pour the blended breadfruit into this bowl. Now I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of vanilla. A teaspoon of nutmeg. Some mixed spice, half teaspoon. And half teaspoon cinnamon. I'm going to stir or whisk. Now I'm gonna be adding the peanut punch. The dragon stout. And then the condensed milk. And we're gonna stir until everything is combined. And that's it, guys. Look at how deliciously rich and nice this punch is. Look at that. Look at that. So that's it. It's all done. Now let's serve it. And there you have it, guys. Delicious, strong back breadfruit punch. Try this recipe. I know you will be glad you did. Thank me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.